So we want to know how many formula units are in 0.542 grams of magnesium sulfate. We're given the number of grams of magnesium sulfate, the unknown is the number of formula units, and we know that we can't put grams and number of things in the same equation, so we're going to have to use two equations. Moles times molar mass equals grams, and moles times 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd formula units per mole equals the number of formula units. Because we're given grams, we're going to start with this equation. Now, there are two unknowns here right now, the molar mass and the grams, but we can easily calculate the molar mass. We have one magnesium, we have one sulfur, we have four oxygens, and that adds up to 120.37 grams per mole. So now we know the molar mass of magnesium sulfate, and we can put that under the given. So utilizing the first equation, we can now substitute in what we know, and we get this equation. Now we're going to solve it and divide both sides by 120.37 grams per mole. And when you do that, you get 4.5 times 10 to the minus 3 moles. Putting that up into the given, we can now look at the two equations. We've used the first, so we can't use it again, so we're going to use the second equation. Substitute in what we know, so now we have 4.5 times 10 to the minus 3 moles times 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd formula units per mole, and that'll equal the number of formula units. So we're going to solve it. We just multiply that, and you see that the moles cancel out, leaving us with formula units. So we can say that 0.452 grams of magnesium sulfate contains 2.71 times 10 to the 21st formula units of magnesium sulfate.